Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three potential altcoins to buy. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market has actually been trading kind of sideways, even though right here it says the market is down 3.13%, but obviously that's including all the coins. If we just look at Bitcoin, it's pretty much been flat for the past 24 hours. So right here, top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Civic, which is up 23.31%, highest volume, Bitcoin like usual. So Bitcoin is down, or actually up about 0.5%, trading around that 39,000 area that we've been bouncing back and forth pretty much since yesterday at the same time period. As we go into, now we're in Tuesday morning. So Ethereum down about 0.69%, 69%, 0.69%. Bitcoin or Binance Coin is flat. Cardano and everything else is down about 1% or so. Doge 3%, and then all these other altcoins are either flat, up 1% or down 1%, depending on which one you're looking at. And then obviously we have a little bit of an outliers depending on which ones you guys are looking at as well. So the crypto market is still doing very well. Lots of news coming out in the past week or so. Lots of events going on. So crypto is getting a lot of momentum right now, and that's something that we're hoping to ride on up. And like we said, we need to break through that 42,000 area resistance with Bitcoin in order for this to continue to run. And right now we keep bouncing off of that 39,000 area, so we're going to be looking forward to break through that 40,000 area hopefully today. If that does not happen, we might start to pull back down again. And I'm getting a little bit worried that we're not going to break through that 42,000 resistance again, as we've been trying to bounce past that for about 2 months now, guys. So before we get into this countdown, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification if you're new to the channel as well. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description. And leave a comment below. What crypto are you watching right now? So the first altcoin on our list is going to be AAVE. So AAVE, definitely one of the coins that we talk about a lot on the channel. So this one is down about 4% in the past 24 hours from highs of 334. Hit lows down here of 285 at one point. It's trading at $310 right now. In the past week, this one is up 30%. So it was trading at around $219, $215 just last week. Great buying opportunity for AAVE, as we talked about this one a few weeks ago as well. So in the past month, this one is up 65%. So even in a downwards market that we were having, you could still get these good dip buying opportunities to load up on coins like AAVE and ride it back on up. So this one, 65% in the past month. Those are huge gains. That would take you like 4 or 5 years in the stock market if you were trading the S&P 500 or something like that, like VOO or different stocks like that. So 65% return in a month. Very, very happy with that for anybody that got in. On the 1 year chart, 60,000%. Obviously, this coin rallied up to about $670 at one point in May. So the coin was up over 100,000% at that point. If you would have bought it at the opening in October 1st at 50 cents or so, you would have made some, tremendous gains right there. Pulled back down once, like I said, to about that $300 area, and we've been bouncing back and forth for the past 2 months or so. Market cap is very low on AAVE, only 3.9 billion market cap. It is one of the greener coins, which is the reasoning behind this huge pop from 433 to about 670 here in May. Volume in the past 24 hours at 570.4 million. And then obviously for those of you guys that are new to the channel, AAVE is an Ethereum token that powers AAVE, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where our users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to, borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So AAVE is definitely one of those interesting coins that we continue to discuss on the channel, as it is greener compared to Bitcoin, just the amount of energy that's used. So for those renewable energy freaks, I guess you could say, they love these green coins. And we actually have a video on the channel where we talked about a bunch of our green coins, which I always talk about. So guys, you guys can check that video out as well. But if you guys take a quick look actually at AAVE, it's trading at the same prices that it's been trading since February 2nd. So if you bought February 2nd, you would be up about $7 profit right now. So, it has been kind of trading sideways for 2 months or so, even though we did have this breakout to that 600 area, which, turned into about 100% gain from that 300 area. But it has pulled back now. So, but still, it's very, very good. We haven't really pulled back too much. I mean, we had this massive run going into May, and we just lost those gains, and we still held on to the rest of the gains that we made. If we take a look at the beginning of January, this coin was trading at around $90 or so. So from that $90 area, you're up over 200% still. Still massive gains to be made out with these coins, guys. Just because we had that pullback right there, because everything was overbought, does not mean that we were in a bear market, because everything is still trading very, very nice, especially AAVE. So that is our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So this one is up 5.5% actually in the past 24 hours. 57.38% in the past week, which is insane. 57% return in a week. I know in the crypto market that's not a lot, but in the stock market and just in reality in the real world, 57% is a huge return in a week. And then obviously on the 1 month chart, over 80%. So this token has been, destroying it, I guess you could say. In the past month, 80% return, massive gains. In a past year, 2,247%. Very, very nice gains here, as this one was trading at around 34 cents in July last year. Hit highs here of about $22 in March, pulled back down to about $16 or $17. Then we had this massive pullback to about $4 in May, and ever since then we've been actually on an uptrend. So even though the market kind of crashed right here to $4, we made over 100% return if you would have bought here in the lows or any time period here around this $4 or $5 range, because it's now trading at around $9 or so. So massive gains are to be made out with these coins, even though it was on a downtrend. It has been coming back up, and this could potentially continue to go up and fill this gap all the way to about $15, which would give you another 50% or so upside potential. Market cap being at only 3.7 billion, that is very low market cap. Volume in the past 24 hours at 392.3 million. Very, very nice coin right here. It's been performing very nice in the past month or so. Decent gains, and definitely another one for you guys to add to your radar to see how it's going to perform in the upcoming months, as the market cap is very, very low on these. I would not be surprised to see these ones trading, 10x or even potentially 20x in the next 10 to 20 years as well out in the future. So if you're a long-term investor, these are coins that I would definitely be looking for to buy on a potential dip opportunity. So Theta is going to be our third altcoin. Theta is actually down about 3%. In the past week, it's up 43%. Huge gains here, guys, on this one. Past month, it's actually down 11%. So out of the three, this one is the worst performing one overall. And then on the 1 year chart, still up over 2,300% from about 25 cents or so last July, all the way to highs here of about $16. Then we pulled back to about $5 or so, and then we're on an uptrend now. So we're looking for Theta to see how it's going to perform. Obviously, another low market cap coin, 5.8 billion volume in the past 24 hours at 522.8 million. So this one, low market cap, obviously, plenty of potential for it to grow, 10x opportunity in the future as well. With this one, because it was trading at around $15, which was about 15 billion market cap. So I would not be surprised for this one to go a little bit higher in the future as well. And so those are obviously the three, altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now, the rest of the market, how is everything performing? Well, Bitcoin is up about 0.5%, so it's trading at around $38,700. It did hit at actually that area at around 40,500 yesterday, at around right after noon, during lunch period. Then we pulled back down all the way to 36,000. So we bounced down. We could not break through that resistance. And I started to actually get worried last night when I saw it go to 36,000. And I was hoping for a little bit of an uptrend. So we are back on the uptrend. And we're going to try to break through that resistance again. So that resistance is a very, very powerful resistance that we have not been able to break for a while. In the past week, it's obviously up 25%. Past month, 20%. Past year, 250%. But we keep talking about that 42,000 resistance, and it's going to be a very, very strong resistance to break through, and hopefully we can break through it this week. It also is going to depend on how big tech reports earnings this week. So we have, Apple, Facebook, Google, many of these big companies are reporting earnings either today, tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday. So, big news is coming out soon, and we're hopefully going to ride that up momentum if we have good news and, good guidance for the future. So market cap on Bitcoin is 720 billion right now. Ethereum is down about 0.5%. So same type of pattern. It was at 2,400, pulled back down, but it pulled back down heavier compared to Bitcoin, and now it came back a little bit, trading at a 2,300 area. In the past week, it's up 27%. past month 26%, so outperforming Bitcoin in the past year 655%, still outperforming Bitcoin, trading in this range once again for the past 2 months. Market cap on Ethereum is at 269.7 billion right now, so Ethereum performing very well, but it's still lagging way behind Bitcoin compared to market cap size. Even though, like we continue to say, I believe in the future that we will have a flippening where Ethereum and Bitcoin will flip, positions, I guess you could say. Then we have Doge. So Doge hit a high of about almost 23 cents here at one point yesterday, pulled back down to about 19.5 cents. Now it's trading at 21 cents. It is down 3%, trading at a 27 billion market cap, volume in the past 24 hours at 2.9 billion. So this one in the past week is actually up about 20%. In the past month, it's down 14.5%. So out of the three big coins, obviously this one is the worst performing in the past month or so, and that's something that I continue to talk about. So obviously in the past year, it's up 6,500% with that high, and then ever since that high, we continue to go lower and lower and lower, making lower lows, lower lows and lower highs as well. So not a good look for Doge. Obviously, in a bull market, everything is going to go up, including Doge. But if we were to, turn back down and continue to go lower into a bear market, Doge is going to sink very, very quickly, I believe. Under that 15 cents area, we're going to 10 cents quickly as well. So those are the areas that we're going to be, keeping an eye out on in the future to see how it's going to perform with the rest of the crypto market. So yeah, guys, these are the cryptos that we're going to be looking at. Obviously, the three altcoins. This is how the rest of the market is performing. We have other news. Amazon. First, people were saying that Amazon was going to accept Bitcoin. Then yesterday, there were some articles saying that Amazon was not going to be accepting Bitcoin for things. So we're kind of getting mixed signals, I guess you could say. And we're going to be looking for more news to come out to see, who's going to be accepting Bitcoin in the future, because that obviously plays a big role in the crypto market. Because if we get, a lot of publicity, especially from bigger companies, that can cause a momentum play for us. So yeah, guys, before we end this video, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence before investing, because there's a high risk, high reward type situation when trading in the crypto market. As always, smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content. Let's aim for 50 plus likes, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers this year. Turn on that bell notification. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description. And as always, leave a comment below. What crypto are you going to be buying? I hope you guys enjoy, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.